Myself, Sirsat Sonali Sudam in Physics Department for SVKT College, Devali Camp, Nashik. We will study the today's lecture for the elements of material science for chapter number 1. We have already studied the first chapter for the classification of materials, properties of materials. The first property of the material is the mechanical property, second property is the thermal property, and third property is the electrical properties. Then session agenda. In this point is the we will study the learning objectives. First learning objective is the impurities in solids, solid solutions in metals, rules of solid solubility, imperfection in crystals, and diffusion mechanism. Then learning objectives for this the topic is the impurities in solid solutions in metals, rules of solid solubility, imperfections in crystals, and diffusion mechanism. First point is the impurities in solids. Impurities in solids for the or are made of a host or the solvent which dissolves the solute. The ability is called solubility, means the one solute or one solvent is dissolved in the solvent atoms. For example, a sugar syrup. For example, here carbon added in a small amounts to iron make steels, which is stronger than iron. And next example is the zinc is added to copper to produce brass, which is harder, stronger, more ductile, and also cheaper than copper. Next type is the solid solutions in metals. Types of solid solutions is the first type say substitutional solid solution. Substitutional means another atoms is placed in that the solute atoms or original atoms. If the atoms of the solvent or a parent metal are replaced in the crystal lattice by atoms of the solute metal, then the solid solution is known as substitutional solid solution. For example, copper in copper is the solute atoms and nickel is the solvent atom, means solvent atom is mixed with the copper atoms. We have look at here the diagrams. Substitutional solid solution is the first diagram. Solute atoms is the copper and solvent atoms is the nickel. The solvent atoms is mixed with the or substitute to the solute atoms. Next disorder substitutional disorders disorder substitutional and order substitutional. Next point interstitial solid solutions is the next type for the solubilities. The interstitial solid solutions, in the interstitial solid solution the solute atom does not displace a solvent atoms, but rather it enters one of the holes or intersides between the solvent atoms. Then this diagram is the green points is denoted by the solvent metal atoms and the blue is the solute element atoms. And in interstitial solid solutions, very small atoms of non-metallic elements occupy positions in the interstices of the metal lattice. For example, iron is the solvent atom and the carbon is the solute atoms. Next point is the rules of solid solubility. The solubility of the substance which is defined as the maximum possible concentrations of the solute. Then first point is the solid solubility is the substitutional solid solution rules. The first is the atomic radius of the solute and the solvent atoms must differ by no more than 50%, means the solute and solvent is size is not more than 50%. Okay. Second point is the crystal structure of solute and solvent must match. And second point is the interstitial solid solutions rules is the solute atoms must be smaller than the interstitial sites in the solvent lattice. And second point, the solute and solvent should have similar electronegativity. For example, carbon dissolved in iron. Next point is the imperfection in crystals. means the arrangement of atoms or molecules in most crystalline material is not perfect, is the imperfection. Imperfection means the defects in the solid materials or solid atoms or crystal lattice structures. All contain large number of various defects called imperfections. Next point is the defects in solids. First point is the point defects, second is line defects, next is surface defects, and next is volume defects. Then we will study the first point is the point defects. Point defects are places where an atom is missing or irregularly placed in the lattice structure. Means the lattice structures is the one atom is the missing or its position is the misplacing. Second point defects is subpoints is the first vacancy. Vacancy means missing atom at a certain crystal lattice position. Second point say interstitial imperfections in a closed packet structure of atoms in a crystal. If the atomic packing is low, an extra may be loaded within the crystal structure. Interstitial impurity atom means extra impurity atom in an interstitial position. The crystal lattice structure is the added the foreign atoms is called the interstitial imperfections, and this type is the self interstitial impurities. Atom means extra impurity atom in an interstitial position. Second point है substitutional impurities means atom means impurity atom that is substituting atom in a crystal lattice. Third is the Frenkel defect. In Frenkel defects, the missing atom responsible for a vacancy occupies an interstitial sites. Frenkel defect is a combination of a vacancy and interstitial defects. You know the vacancy and interstitial defects. Okay. Next point, fourth is a Schottky defects. This defect is caused whenever a pair of positive and negative ions is missing from a crystal. Means ions pair is the positive and negative ion pair is the missing in that the crystal lattice structure. Next point, fifth is the substitutional defects. Whenever a foreign atom replaces the parent atom of the lattice and thus occupies the position of parent atom. In this type of defect, the atom which replaces the parent atom may be of the same size or slightly smaller or greater than that of the parent atom. Means the substitutional defects is the another atom is substitute the parent atom. Parent atom is the original crystal lattice structures. This is the diagram for the point defects of a crystal. Is subpoints is the first vacancies diagram. Vacancies diagram means the missing of the atoms or position is changes for this atom in the crystal lattice structure. Next interstitial impurities. Interstitial impurities is meaning for the we will study the this point. Interstitial defects means the solute and solvent. Okay, solute atom or solvent atom is a mix with the solute atom, but the position of that atoms or lattice structure is not a change, but this vacant place that there the solvent atom is placed in that the solute atom. Next self interstitials. Next substitutional impurities is added the parent atom, and next Frenkel defects is missing the atomic pairs. Next point phonon. When the temperature is raised, thermal vibrations take place. This result in the defect of a symmetry and deviation in a shape of atoms. This defect have much effect on the magnetic and electric properties. Next point is the line defect. First is the point defect and next is the line defect. The line defects or dislocations are lines along which whole rows of atoms in a solid are arranged anomalously. The resulting irregularity in a spacing is the most severe along a line called the line of dislocation. There are two types. First type is the edge dislocation. It is an extra half plane of atoms insert into the crystal lattice, that is ductility and malleability. We have studied the first lecture the ductility and malleability. The point edge dislocation means the one side one edges for the lattice structure is the missing or atom, any other atom is the placing या insert these sites. Next point is the screw dislocation. When one part of a crystal lattice is shifted relative to the other crystal part as atomic planes from a spiral surface around the dislocation line, then it is called screw dislocation. And next point is the surface defects. In surface defects may arise at the boundary between grains or small crystals within a large crystal. Grains particles means the smallest particle of the lattice structure. Grains or small crystals within the large crystal. Is subpoints for the first is the external surface defects, means external sides the grain particles is the remove or misplace. Then external surface defects, external surface defects may arise on external surface of a crystals. The surface results in the decreases in a lattice spacing and a relaxation or the change in a crystal structures reconstruction to reduce the energy. Materials tend to minimize the total surface area if possible, means the external surface of that lattice structure is the remove. Okay, this is called the external surface defects. Second is the internal surface defects. Surface defects may arise inside of the crystals. These defects are of two types: grain boundaries and twin boundaries. Next point, fourth is the volume defects is the three-dimensional. A typical volume defect is porosity often introduced in the solid during processing. It is also called bulk defects, means the volume of the lattice structure is the missing or defected. It is common to divide them into four classes in an imprecise classification that is based on a combination of the size and effect of particles. The four categories are: is the first category is the precipitates, second a dispersants, third a inclusions, and fourth a voids. Next point is the atomic diffusion, is the transport of atoms through a crystalline solid called diffusion. Diffusion means the two atoms is the mix or the two atom mixing and then newly atoms is the produce, is called the atomic diffusion. The types of diffusion is the self diffusion. It is the transition of a thermally excited atom from a site of crystal lattice to an adjacent site or intersites. And second point is interdiffusion. This is observed in a binary metal alloys such as the copper nickel, means two alloys is a mixing of that atoms. Third is the volume diffusion. This type of diffusion is caused due to atomic movement in a bulk in a materials. Fourth point is grain boundaries diffusion. This type of diffusion is caused due to atomic movement along the grain boundaries alone. And fifth point is surface diffusion. This type of diffusion is caused due to atomic movement along the surface of a phase. Diffusion mechanism. Then diffusion is the transfer of unlike atoms which is accompanied with a change of concentration of the components in certain zones of an alloy. There are three types. Then first type is the vacancy mechanism, second is the interstitial mechanism, and third a collective mechanism. You know the vacancies mechanism. Vacancy means the missing of the atom for the original place. Next interstitial mechanism. In interstitial mechanism, the solvent atom is inserted to the solute atom for the missing place, not a structure or not lattice structure is the changes. Next point is the vacancy mechanism. Diffusion by the vacancy mechanism can occur by atoms moving into adjacent sites that are vacant. If a solid is composed of a single element, that is pure metal, then the movement of thermally excited atom from a site of the crystal lattice to an adjacent site or interstice is called self-diffusion. An example is the copper and nickel are mutually soluble in all proportions in a solid states, and from substitutional solid solution, example है plating of nickel on copper. Vacancy mechanisms, the diagram is the atom migration, and before and after the atom migration is the first diagram is the atom is the moving from the another place is the vacancy migration, and then the vacancy is produced, then the after diagrams. Next point is the interstitial mechanism. The interstitial mechanism where an atom changes position using an interstitial site does not usually occur in a metals for self-diffusion, but is favored when interstitial impurities are present because of the low activation energy. Means the solvent atom is the blue atom is the solvent solute atoms, and the red atom is the solvent atom is the inserted the holes in that the solute atoms. Third point is the interchange mechanism. The atoms exchange place through rotation about midpoint. This interchange may be 2 atom or 4 atom for BCC. We have to look that the diagram is the ABC. First is the interchanging the first atom, next is the second atom in B diagram, and the C is the atoms is the changes the places for the one atom to one side to the second side. Next is the applications of diffusion. Then first application is the oxidation of metals. Second application is the doping of semiconductors materials. Third is the joining of materials by diffusion bonding, and for example is the welding and soldering. You know that the welding and the soldering. And fourth application is the diffusion is fundamental to phase change. Next is the summary for impurities in solids. Next is the solid solutions in metals and its types. In that the lecture we have the studied. Next the rules of solid solubility. Next is the imperfections in a crystals, defects in a solids for the point, line, surface and volume defects. And next is the atomic diffusion. In atomic diffusion, vacancy mechanism, interstitial interchange mechanism we have studied. And next is the precap is the single phase metals. And thank you.